Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today you guys know the drill. We are heading back to Yorkdale. Going to be a quick trip. We're just gonna grab one thing up from today's new drop. We got some hoodies, we got some tees, and the hats are honestly the best piece from this collection. Personally, with the owl on the side, that shit goes crazy. But I'm gonna show you guys the full collection when we get to Yorkdale. Without further ado, let's hop in the car and let's head to Yorkdale Mall.
20 minutes later.
Just pulling up to Yorkdale now. Shouldn't be a line or anything too crazy. About to go in, I'll show you guys what's on the racks. Let's see the hat. Check out that quality. All right guys, so we just left Yorkdale. As you can see now, heading back to the car, and I'm gonna unbox this when we get back. What is good guys? Just got back in from Yorkdale, and I'm going to unbox, unpackage, and show you what I did end up picking up from Yorkdale. Nothing too much this week. You know, we got to be saving that money for CLB, for the Babe collab. Lots of heat coming up, so we do not want to go get too carried away on the regular OVO drops. I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same way, but without further ado, this was personally my favorite item from this week's drop, other than the red hoodie. The red hoodie was sick, but the hats were actually my favorite from this week. So we got the black hat here. It came in white and it came in red. The red one I didn't like just because the gold owl on the red didn't look that good, but we got the black hat here with the red Canada flag. So I'm gonna get that nice close-up detailed look. It's like a patch, and it has like almost like a carpety material with the October's Very Own, the Familia logo embroidered, and it's kind of slanted up this way. Super sick design. And of course on the side we got the OG owl. Now what I like about this is that it's fully embroidered, so even the black is, I know on the Best on the World it's only the gold that's embroidered, but they did the black on this, which makes it super good quality. This isn't really like a traditional dad hat. It's a little different, the style, but again, we got the hardware on the back right here. This nice brass, super nice, good quality. Moving on to the inside, October's Very Own tag with the Made in Canada. You guys love to see it, man. 65% polyester, 35% cotton, made in Canada. As you can see there, 2 tags. This is a super nice hat. It was $48, not too bad. As you can see, summer 20, black sport cap. So that is it for the unboxing today, guys. Just decided to pick up a hat. Let me know what you guys picked up down below from the drop today. Nothing seems to be sold out on the website just yet, so I'm sure you could still grab a hat if you're interested. Again, when OVO does hats, they do sell out decently quick because it's not often we get an awesome hat like this. So if you're on the edge about copping, I'd give you guys the good to go grab this piece. Definitely recommend it. Let's talk about the price. $54.24 after tax. Picked it up from Yorkdale, as you guys saw. Again, can't go wrong with that OVO hat. Quickly, I want to talk about the drop. The hoodies were $168, a little more than what I was expecting. I was expecting like $148, but damn, they hit us with that $168, $170. That's a lot of money for that hoodie, but again, the quality is really good, as you guys saw earlier in the video. The rain jackets as well, $228, very expensive, but the quality was pretty good, not gonna lie. But again, $228, I don't know. I think it's best to save your money and get that CLB, get that OVO Babe, because that's gonna be way more worth it. But guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.